All right, everybody. Good to hear from you again. I know a couple of you logged on to Zoom yesterday. I know I've been getting some emails. Please keep that communication coming if you have any questions or concerns. I am here to help you. Today we're going to be looking at whole number operations and real-world problems with whole numbers. So again, when we're adding, we want to make sure that we line them up nice and neatly. Check our sign. So then we're going to add from right to left. 3 plus 2 is 5. 9 plus 7 is 16. Carry that 1. 8 plus 5 is 13. Plus 1 is 14. Again, if I'm going too fast, slow the video down, hit pause. 9 plus 4 is going to give us 13. Plus 1 is going to give us another 14. 7 plus 8 is 15, plus 1 is 16. And don't forget 1, 2, 3, comma. This one is a little tricky because we have a lot of zeros and we're going to do a lot of regrouping across zeros. Again, line them up neatly. If you want to, strategy, placeholder 0, always a good tool. Check the sign. So we're subtracting. If we have 0 minus 4, we cannot take 4 away from nothing, so we go over to the next one, but it's 0. Go over again, it's 0, so we have to go all the way to the thousands place. Take 1 away, we got to pass it back. So now that 10 becomes a 9. He becomes a 10, but nope, we got to regroup, he's a 9. And lastly, we have 10 here. 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1. So 126. All right, we're going to do a whole number multiplication and a whole number division problem now. Again, we're doing, whoops, sorry, my screen just tilted. We're doing one of each today for our warm-up. So 98 times 67. Again, strategy, use that multiplication chart if you need to. Okay. 7 times 8 is going to give us 56. Carry our 5. 7 times 9 is 63, plus 5 is going to give us 68. I'm done with the 7, so placeholder 0 because that 6 really means 60. And I'm going to erase what I carried so I don't get confused. 6 times 8 is 48. So I carry that 4. 6 times 9 is 54, plus 4 is going to give me 58. Again, try to line up neatly so when you add, you don't get confused. 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 8 is 16, carry my 1. 8 plus 6 is going to give me 14, plus 1 is 15, carry that 1. And 5 plus 1 is 6. Don't forget 1, 2, 3, comma. All right, whole number division. Remember, first number goes inside, second number goes outside. Skip count strategy, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72. Sorry, a little distracted. Max is being a little restless right now. Wants me to play with him, not do math. Alright, if I have 1, I can't get a group of 9, so I have to go to 18, which I can get 2 groups of 9. 2 times 9 is 18, so we're going to subtract. Bring down a 6. Now, if I have 6, can I get a group of 9? The answer is no. And if the answer is no, you always have to put that 0 up there. 0 times 9 is 0. Subtract, bring down. If I have 63, I can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 9. So our final answer, or our quotient, would be 207. All right, like I said earlier, we're going to do some real-world problems with whole numbers. So problem solving with those whole number computation. First one, A summer camp wants to buy 3,384 popsicles. If there are 8 popsicles in a box, how many boxes of popsicles will they need to purchase? So who or what is this problem about? It's about a summer camp. What are they doing? Well, they're buying some popsicles. And what do we know about the popsicles? Well, they want 3,384. But a box has 8. So we need to figure out how many boxes they're going to need. So if they want 3,384 and each box has 8, we need to figure out how many boxes they're going to need. So what we're doing is we're taking what they want and finding out that each box has 8, how many boxes they're going to need to fulfill that want. Skip count strategy: 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. If they have 3, can we get a group of 8? No, so we have to go to 33, which I can get 1, 2, 3, 4 groups, which is 32. Subtract, bring down, I have 18. If I have 18, I can get 1, 2 groups, which is 2 times 8 is 16. Bring down my 4, and if I have 24, I can get 1, 2, 3 groups. So they are going to need to purchase for the summer camp 423 boxes of popsicles to fulfill their want. Explanation time. Now, I know a couple of you have not been doing these explanations the way we have practiced all school year. Again, if you're not doing the notes correctly, I will not take them for credit and you will need to redo them. So I divided, double check my numbers real quick, 3,384 popsicles by 8 popsicles per box because I needed to know how many boxes they needed. This told me they needed, double check my quotient, 423. 423 boxes. There we go. So real work. Oh, gotta fix this because I needed to know. Sorry, 1 second. There we go. So there's our first one, a whole number division real world problem. Number 2. It is well known that Anita won an award for her 88 popular songs. What is less well known, however, is that she wrote a total of 696 songs in her career. How many songs did Anita write that were not popular? So who or what is this problem about? We have Anita. And what do we know about Anita? Well, Anita's a singer and she writes some songs. What do we know about her songs? Well, we know she had 88 popular songs. But we also know she wrote 696 total songs. And the question we need to answer is how many songs did she write that were not popular? So this, my friends, is a subtraction problem. We're going to take her total number of songs minus the ones that were popular, and we should be left with the ones that were not popular. 6 minus 8, if I have 6, I can't take away 8, so I need to regroup. So I take 1 away. So I now have 16 minus 8, which is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. And 6 minus, well, there's nothing there, so we still get that 6. So she had 608 songs that were not popular. Okay, explanation time. I subtracted, double check my numbers, 696 songs minus 88 songs because I needed to know how many songs were not popular. This told me, double check my answer, 608. 608 songs were not popular. Okay, good job. We're going to do one more together, guys. There are 9 students in the school's writing club. Last year, each student in the club wrote 37 stories. How many stories were written in all? So, what is this problem about? Writing club. And what do we know about the writing club? Well, we know the writing club has 9 students. And what else do we know about the writing club? Well, we know they each wrote 37 stories. So, for example, here's my 9 students in the writing club. Use your imagination. I know the people don't really look like boxes, but there's my 9 students, and each one did 37 stories. Now, this could be repeat addition, but we're in 4th grade. Well, technically we're in 4th grade. So what are we going to do? Well, we're going to multiply. 37 times 9, because we're going to do the more efficient way. 9 times 7 is going to give me 63. Carry my 6. 9 times 3 is 27. Plus 3 is going to give me 30. So I get 303 stories. So explanation time. I multiplied 37 stories by 9 students because I needed to know how many total stories were, sorry about my word, let me fix that, were written. This told me 303 stories were written. Okay, everyone, make sure you turn in your mini lesson notes and work on your independent practice and submit that. And I would encourage you to get on IXL and do 1 session for review. If you have questions, I'm available. Please email me or Canvas me.